Man,
you're so underpowered too, man.
That's
insane.
It's efficient.
Yes, it is.
Heck yeah. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
What's up, man?
Oh yeah. Some builds, the back is just so wavy.
That thing doesn't have power.
It is. Oh yeah.
You only got 2 8Ks in
What's up, man?
How you doing, sir? Oh snap!
Try to find something good.
This is solid.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Fiberglass and resin and sand.
Wow. Have you tuned it pretty close yet?
I tuned it to sealed as high as it would go, and then I stopped.
Okay.
But I'm not done adding power. I still got 6 8Ks to add.
6, 8.
Yeah, I'm putting an 8K per sub.
Wow. So where are you at meter-wise now?
With 2 8Ks, I was doing 58.6.
Once you get full power,
I'm only clamping 4K per.
I was gonna say, once you go full power, dude, you're probably gonna do mid-60s. Is that your goals?
I'm actually hoping for a 65.
65? Okay. Very doable.
No, I'm gonna put them in the hot box. Hot seat.
This is a public service announcement. DJ Rusticles cannot be held responsible for broken body panels, windshields, or haters' feelings. You big pussies. Dancing in the kitchen, you singing my favorite song, swinging on the front porch, just laughing at the dogs. I swear you love me more when you're whispering goodnight. All those little moments are every reason why
That peak though, dude, what frequency is that you're peaking at?
That was 52 right there.
Wow. Ooh, squeeze you.
Not as bad as yours was.
It's only got more power though, so.
Like I just thought I was it. Talk to her. Say tell. Just beepers, real provocative, bleepers, not hard to reach us.
The lows are like
Yeah,
brutal.
it's 27.
Man,
It
that's,
was it is so underpowered too, man.
yeah.
That's insane.
It's efficient.
Yes, it is.
Heck yeah.
I did a 160.7 with a 30K clamping 20.
Oh, so you did.
Yeah, I did it, and then I blew it.
Yeah.
I had it wired at 0.35.
Oh, that'll happen, yeah. Wow. You want to give me a rundown real quick?
Yeah, I've got 8 SP4 15 V2s and 3 to 1/4 order. Got 2 8Ks on it right now and 95 amp hour C-Max. 2 390 amp alternators.
All right. Could I see the amp?
Sure.
Yep.
They're wired
Only
at
90.
Yeah, 95.
95.
Yeah, and the amps are wired at 0.7 right now.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you, man. Nice to meet you.
No problem. Yeah, we
Awesome demo. I remember. Oh, this door is empty.
I'm losing 1.5 dB just from the speakers being out. I
Really?
blew them all. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Wolf Wagner, Bleebush.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.